What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I have to say that we have crazy price action right here on the latest session. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have this huge mess on May the 10th. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we had decent movement to the upside. That was the result of the partnership of Galileo and MasterCard. And I've told you that from the investor standpoint these ranges are still very attractive, but we have to be very cautious because we might break the range of support at roughly $6 mark. And in this case, you should put your stop loss slightly below this range, because if this asset breaks this range, definitely we will see lower price action. And we hit the stop loss order, and it was about 6.6% of potential losses. But it prevents you from much higher losses of more than 23% to its lowest point, and about 15% to the current range. Definitely, this price action shows how important stop losses are for the swing traders. But from the investor standpoint, we are at extremely attractive price points, and I will show you in a minute why I think so. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you why we have this massive decrease in price. First of all, let me show you this article. It was published on Motley Fool on May the 10th, and it's titled "Why Shares of Affirm, SOFI and Lending Club are down today." And the key points are following. Upstart lowered its guidance for the year, sending the stock tumbling. Upstart expects lower transaction volume and also experienced some funding trouble in the first quarter. Investors seems to be selling Affirm, SOFI and Lending Club due to the disappointing Upstart results. And this is the main reason why we have this sell-off right after the bell on May the 10th session. And let me show you the Upstart price action. As you can see, it lost, let me show you, from this top to its bottom more than 62%. And they posted earnings report right after the bell on May the 9th. And right after that, on extended hours, we have this huge sell-off. And definitely, with the similar companies, we can extrapolate some data from this company to other companies that doesn't publish their earnings report yet. And definitely because of Upstart, SOFI lost at the beginning of May the 10th more than 15% of its value. But then we had another unforeseeable action. Let me show you this article. We are on cnbc.com, and this article was published also on May the 10th. And it's titled "SOFI Stock Falls After Fintech Firm Accidentally Releases First Quarter Report Early." And let me quote you key points. Shares of SOFI fell sharply on Tuesday and were halted for nearly 3 hours after the company accidentally released its first quarter results early. The company said the report was released early due to human error. SOFI was scheduled to report its results after the market close on Tuesday. Although its latest results topped analyst estimates, its forecast for the second quarter was weaker than predicted. And I have to say that because of this human error, we had their earnings result not at the end of the day, but in the middle of the day, as you can see on May the 10th, around 2 p.m. And let me show you that they beat an expectations, they beat an earnings and the revenue. And definitely it is a good earnings report, but let me show you it in details. I don't want to dive deep into their numbers, I just want to pay your attention on this summary. Record GAAP and adjusted net revenue for first quarter 2022. GAAP net revenue of $330 million, up 69%. $322 million record adjusted net revenue, up 49% year over year. Adjusted EBITDA of $9 million, positive for 7th straight quarter. New member adds of 408,000. Quarter end total members up 70% year over year to nearly 3.9 million. New product adds of 689,000. Quarter end total products up 84% year over year to nearly 5.9 million. Management rises full year 2022 guidance. And let me quote you Anthony Notta. He said, "We delivered another quarter of great results with record adjusted net revenue up 49% year over year, a seventh consecutive quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA, and continued robust growth in members, products, and cross-buy. These strong results, which we achieved despite volatile markets and changing political, fiscal, and economic landscape, demonstrate how our strategy of building a full suite of differentiated products and services has created a uniquely diversified business that can not only endure but outperform across market cycles." And I have to say that it is a very bullish sentiment of his statement, and I completely agree with this. And on top of that, I have to say that these numbers are even more impressive if you take a look on their presentation. Right here you can see the summary. It is their members' growth in thousands, and as you can see, they are consistently growing. And right here you can see that year-over-year growth is slowing down a little bit, but in my opinion it is totally okay, because it is very easy to show more than 100% growth when you are a relatively small company. But when you become larger and larger, you cannot sustain this pace. Let's continue. They have an increase in products, and it is also very important. Galileo accounts are also growing, and we don't have any bad signs at all in these charts. And on my previous video I've told you that most likely we might see some decrease in the growth of their lending products, but as you can see, previously on Q4 2021 they have 18% year-over-year growth, but for now they have even more, 20% year-over-year growth, despite of student loan moratorium. And in my opinion it is a very good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, we have first negative sign that we broke the previous swing low, and definitely it is not the best sign from the technical standpoint. But on the other hand, we have very strong fundamentals, and we have very low price for this asset, and it is the lowest price that this asset ever had. This means from the fundamental standpoint, you can easily buy right here at the current ranges, and in a matter of next several months to years, this asset will double or triple your money easily. And let me show you that we have first update from analysts. Bank of America added their new guidance for this asset, and they lowered their price target from $12 to $7. But still, $7, it is more than 33% of upside potential for this asset. And I have to say that from the swing traders standpoint, we still have decent chances to hit higher targets. And if you want to enter your position right here, just make sure that you put your stop loss slightly below this range. And even in a short-term perspective from this range, we might have up to 31% potential profits to this previous swing high, and only 10% of potential losses. 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio definitely is not the best risk to reward ratio, but if you ladder your buys down, if you will go lower, it will reduce your downside potential and it will increase your upside potential. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.